This is a PEIYU high-speed bottled water production line, a complete turnkey solution for bottled water manufacturing, engineered for high efficiency, stable output, and long-term industrial reliability. The system integrates filling, labeling, shrink wrapping, conveying, and automatic palletizing into a fully synchronized production flow. Operating at 48,000 bottles per hour, the line ensures continuous production with consistent precision at every stage. From filling accuracy to final palletizing, every process is designed for stability, efficiency, and scalability in large-scale beverage production. Engineered and delivered by PEIYU packaging technology, providing turnkey beverage production line solutions for global manufacturing projects.